Today, we will do a really nice recap of some trades. We also discuss the momentum, how the power keeps shifting between buyers and sellers, and how to resolve the manipulation areas. There is so much to learn. If you're ready, let's start. Okay, let's start with say trade. This video will be an extremely educational video, so you may want to download and store it. When I opened the SEI, it was in the top 5 gainers. It has extremely strong upwards momentum. After this liquidity sweep, we had our first break, as you can see, which created our structure box and protected low, which masterclass students know very well. Then the price ignited again from this imbalance area. After that, we had another break, then another structure box with a protected low. As you can notice, price moves in a structure with a very strong upwards momentum and keep creating new protected lows. Basically, buyers are in control of this asset. And we have our next possible target above. From this imbalance area, I started to look for an entry. Remember, as long as we protect this low, our bias is bullish. Sorry about the spelling mistake on the label protected. You got the meaning. Let's zoom in on the area and discuss. Let's imagine you got impatient and noticed this internal break with imbalance and took this trade. There's nothing wrong here. You are free to try any type of entry as long as you manage the risks. Remember, there's no perfect trade. However, check out what happens here. Notice this deep low and break here, and the low time frame structure box as well. This is your low time frame protected low. Also notice these two little details. This little failing imbalance and the counter imbalance. This is how I made this entry. As you can see, everything is actually fractal. What happens in high time frames keeps happening in lower time frames. In a 1 month or 1 minute chart, I trade exactly the same. Let's continue what happens after. Our earlier target is broken, as you know. The target is now our new break. This brings us a new structure box and new low. So our new protected low is this low now. It is shifted. As long as we are above this low, better look for long trades. And our new target is a new possible high up top. What I did here was, again, very simple. Once the price came back into discount areas from this imbalance, I sought a second trade with the expectation of taking the new possible high above. The trade was going really well, but later on, price got very weak. I had to cut the trade around this break even. Remember, not every single trade will be a winner or even go smooth as you wish. We are back to basic risk management here, cutting our losses before the full loss and saving ourselves some cash. Let's talk about GAL. This will be a very educational recap. Please watch it carefully. GAL became the top gainer with extreme power. It all started with this momentum imbalance back then. Price started using imbalances and kept pushing upwards by making new breaks. And it kept creating these structure boxes with protected lows. However, something happens later on. Right around this area, protected low is broken, and the seller took control out of from the buyers for a moment. A very strong top gainer will not suddenly change its flow. Instead, it will do a very manipulative actions like this one here. When you see this, sit tight and just observe the price. Do not jump to short the asset. As you can see later on, buyers took control back here and made a new high one more time by creating this structure box and new protected low here and keep continuing the general bullish flow. Let's do a check here. 3-4 times buyers control the price and 1 time seller control the price. As you can see, buyers have the general control in this asset and later on keep pushing the asset in its original uptrend. You may ask this to me. Why this imbalance here never tapped? You must understand this. There is no such a rule in the world. All the imbalances will be tapped or not. An untouched imbalance generally indicates power and momentum in the trend direction. Here is a sneak peek knowledge from the masterclass. Market makers generally loves the manipulation just like here. They will give the impression of reversing very strong uptrends and attract short traders to open shorts. Once they take out their stops, they will continue the original trend. The idea of super boxes generally come alive here. You can call them manipulation boxes as well. This action here confirms to me a very strong upwards price action. Okay, let's continue. Once I saw this price action and confirmed the uptrend, I just made a very simple entry from this imbalance area here. All I did was very simple, waiting discounted price on an uptrending asset. Nothing extremely complicated. One more recap. O and G. Same thing over and over again. Really drawing all this really tires me. I never draw things on my charts. All the same technique. Upflow, momentum imbalances, new breaks, imbalances as fuel. Keep pushing the price up and up until it reached a specific target. Here you can do different entries. Directly use this imbalance and take your chances. Or watch the price a bit. See if the imbalance holding the price or not. And make entries like yo-yo and repositioning. The entry technique depends on you and your own trading style. O and G went like crazy from my entry, up like 25%. The bad thing is I did not leave any runner for this trade. It is my bad. Sorry that I have missed this crazy move. Next time we will get it. Okay people, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I normally never reveal this much information from my masterclass publicly, but I had to explain some certain points to everyone so they can improve their vision on the charts. This is it for today. Please take care and enjoy the life. See you next week. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you'll discover a strategy called YOYO strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you can find links on my website on the description. Take care friends, manage your risks and stay safe.